It's disappointing. No, we felt na this was a big chance for us, no, to at least take it to a game 7. But wala eh. Last 3 minutes, we missed some shots. We made some turnovers. I think yun yung naging breakaway point, yung 2 or 3 turnovers in a row, and I think dikitan pa nung last 3 minutes. Again, it's it's closing out games. Yung pa rin ang problema namin. We couldn't close it out. We couldn't make the big plays when we needed them most. But we still look at it as a positive development for the team. 4 na sunod na semi-final appearances. We're still awaiting yung health ni Bo, yung health ni Luis. We have a lot of things to look forward to. Si Felix magiging available na rin, no, for the next conference, and it's still all Filipino. And of course, you're always looking to upgrade, no, your manpower, your talent. Meron din parating na draft, although wala pa kaming masyadong napag-usapan about the draft because we really don't know how deep the draft is. But we're planning out some exhibition games. We don't want to take a long vacation. Maybe we'll be trying to recover in 2 or 3 weeks. Then we will resume practice after that. Meron kaming mga invitations to play outside of the country, and I think that would be a good way of polishing up kung ano pa yung mga pagkukulang ng team. For the most part, malaking bagay yung pagkawala ni Bo. Sa feeling ko, we had to play small a lot of the times. Yung matchup namin kay Ganuelas, Roser, kay Koy, of course nawala pa si Williams, Kelly Williams sa kanila, pero the experience and the size of Bo would have been helpful to us. Pero syempre may mga nawala rin sa kanila. Kaya lang mas veterano naman sila, mas malaking bagay sa amin yung leadership at experience nila. Parang na-miss namin dito sa series na to. But we still look at it as a victory overall for us. The consistency of the team, making 4 semi-final stints, going through all of that, and tingin ko nag-a-add pa doon sa experience, nag-a-add pa doon sa knowledge ng mga batang players namin. I think they need to experience disappointments. They need to experience playing with the good teams, with the tough teams, and closing out games. Kaya kami nagtagal mag-usap para lang ma-evaluate namin, ma-analyze namin. Wala naman akong pinagalitan or anything, no? Kasi tingin ko naman overall nga still a positive conference for us. But we just wanted to talk about yung ways we can improve, especially for them. Mahaba-haba yung bakasyon. They have a lot of time to think through how they can improve themselves. So, yun lang.
Coach, wala pa kayo, sabi niyo yung closing out, doon kayo nahihirapan. Who do you think among your players are capable to be the go-to guy niyo pag ganyang dikdikan sa akin?
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko na kung nandyan si Bo, I guess he's going to be a steady influence, you know, if he's able to play. Yung mga point guards namin kasi medyo ano pa, no? Tingin ko kulang pa rin sa experience. Of course, may ano naman si Andre, no, may malaking improvement na. Nawala si Felix. Anton, I feel played actually above average. May laro siya talaga na kinontribute na maganda yung laro niya, but overall their guards outsized na. Malaki si Heading, malaki si Eruela, no? Kahit sila Simon Enciso. So siguro one thing we can improve on is just having more size, no, in the guard position.
Coach, you've mentioned something about upgrades. Are we expecting a somehow busy off-season from Rainier Shine as you guys
Hindi naman yung busy. Kasi tingin ko hindi naman kailangan ng malaking overhaul yung team eh. Ang importante sa amin, makabalik si Bo, makapaglaro si Luis, and then makabalik si Felix. And then maybe we can think of an upgrade, one or two after that. Kahit nga yung draft, dahil wala pa kami nakikita talagang solid na pangalan, hindi rin namin inaasahan makakapag-ano pa kami ron eh. Lalo na yung pick namin is towards the end or towards the tail of the first round. So, hindi pa rin namin pwedeng gamitin yun na punuan yung kulang namin. Sa tingin ko, baka hindi ganun kalalim yung draft natin ngayon. So, but we are open. No? We are open to upgrading our team from other sources.
Luis Villegas available na ba?
Sinusubukan namin siya ihabol ng October kasi October yung next conference. We're trying to get him healthy by October, so we'll see what happens.
Thank you, Coach.